How do you calculate ARV, the after repair value on a house? Here's the answer. ARV is the price the house sells for after the work is done, and you get it from sold comparables that are already in that finished condition, not average comps, renovated comps. That is the part most explainers skip. If you pull the three closest sales and average them, you are mixing tired houses with updated ones, and your number lands somewhere in the middle. That middle number is not your exit. Your exit is the top of that street in the condition you plan to deliver. Seen? So the method. 1. Pull sales within about a mile, closed in the last 6 months, same property type, similar square footage, ideally within 20%. 2. Open the photos on every single one and grade the condition. Kitchen, bath, flooring, roofline. 3. Throw out anything that closed as a fixer and price against what is left. The other thing people miss is that condition beats distance. A renovated comp 0.8 of a mile away tells you more than a dated one across the street. You can run this on any address and get the full report with condition graded comps and the after repair value done for you. The link is below.